Hello everyone, my name is Abdul-Azeez Rofiah and I'm an SEO specialist. In this section, I'll be taking you through the essentials of SEO, what you need to know as regards SEO. So basically, what is SEO? SEO basically means search engine optimization. So imagine you having a cake shop, you having a website where you sell cake and people are not noticing you, they are not patronizing your website. That is where SEO comes in. It's going to help your business get noticed online so that whenever people search for a particular keyword relating to cake, it's going to attract customers to your website. So SEO is basically the process of optimizing your website to improve its ranking on search engine like Google, Yahoo, Bing, and lots more. So SEO is very important because it helps your businesses get noticed online. How search engine works. It has 3 stages. Search engine works in 3 stages. So the first stage is crawling. Basically, crawling is just what basically crawling. Search engine uses bot to browse your website, to collect information, to gather information about the content available on your website. That is the crawling stage. So the purpose of this crawling is to understand what your content is, what content is available on your website. So the next stage is indexing. So after search engine have called your website and has gathered the information on your website, it's going to analyze the website, analyze the content on your website and organize it in a large database for the index. In that way, it will be easy for search engine to easily retrieve information whenever a particular person search for something relating to a particular keyword. So it will be easy for search engine to retrieve information and display that information on search engine result page. And search engine result page is just what pops up, what search engine displays in response to a user search query. And the last stage is ranking. This is where search engine decide the order of your page, how your page will appear in search results. It depends on certain factors like the relevance, the quality, keywords. So keyword research. Basically, keyword research is one of the is one of the major acts that must be done on your website, because without keywords, search engine will not be able to understand the content of your website and it will be hard for your website to rank on the search engine. So because it's just like keyword is just like you finding the right destination, finding the right direction to your destination. Imagine you want to open a coffee shop, or imagine you have a cake. Imagine you have a cake shop and you notice people are searching for custom cake near me or custom anniversary cakes near me. You want to input that particular keyword on your website so that whenever people search for that particular keyword, it's also going to pop up your website and attract customers will come and patronize your cake and patronize your website. So that is keyword basically. We have 2 types of keywords: short tail and long tail. Short tail keywords, they are very short, just like 1 to 3 words, like SEO, digital marketing. And it's highly competitive because it's normally used to reach wider audience. So it's very competitive and it doesn't rank easily, unlike long tail keywords. From the statements, long tail keywords, it's basically keywords that is more lengthier compared to short tail keywords. It's more specific. It targets specific niche. And compare unlike short tail keyword like SEO, the example of long tail keyword, SEO for beginner, you niching down to for beginners, it makes it easy for your website to rank higher compared to short tail keywords. because it's highly competitive, and long tail keyword is less competitive. So there are varieties of tools that you can use to find the right keywords for your website. You can use Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, Ahrefs, and lots more. So we have some components of SEO. The first one is on-page SEO. On-page SEO basically means refers to elements within your website. You're optimizing your website content only for it to rank higher. So this includes title tags and meta description. The first element is title tag. It's also very important because it tells search engine what your page is about. You have to include your keyword on that title tag as well, and it shouldn't be too long. It shouldn't be more than 60 characters. And also meta description is also important because it's like, subhanallah, is it my okay? It's like it gives a summary about what your website is, and it shouldn't be more than 160 characters. And also the header tags. Header tags organize your content in a more structure, in a more clear structure. It makes it more it makes your website content more readable. And also content optimization. You have to make sure your content is of high quality, is highly readable, so that audience will be able to fully understand what your website is about whenever they search for a particular keyword and it pops up your website. So off-page SEO. Off-page SEO, this one, like on-page SEO that is done on the website. This one is off-page. From the word off-page, it's action that takes place outside your website. It doesn't, it's not in the website, it's done outside the website. And some of the elements, some of the actions is the first one is backlink building. This is it's crucial for SEO because it means linking from other websites to your website. So the aim of this backlinking, it helps search engines see that your website is highly authoritative and is relevant and is trustworthy. Because imagine you sell food online and you see that Mr. Biggs linked write a blog, and then add your website link to it. That means your website is going to show search engine that your website is highly authoritative because Mr. Biggs is a very popular website and it has high rank on search engine. So you don't just link your website to just any other website. It has to be an high authority website so that your website will be able to rank high on search engine because it has high effect on your website. Social media engagement is also part of an off-page SEO. It's also part of off-page SEO by drives content to drives traffic to your website. Writing engaging content, people comment and likes and all of that is just going to drive traffic to your website. Automatically, it does natural backlinking. And guest blogging is also part of off-page SEO. Writing guest posts for reputable websites and posting it on your website, or you writing for someone and posting it on another person's website, is going to reach, aside the fact that it's going to link to your website, it's also going to make your website reach larger audience. Technical SEO. This focuses on the performance of your website, the speed of your website, the speed of your website, the mobile friendliness. You have to make sure that your website is mobile friendly because you have to make sure that whenever someone uses a phone to search for your website, it looks good and well, so that because it's also very important for indexing. Your website has to be mobile friendly. And we have other technical elements. Schema is also a structured data that helps SEO understand the contents of your website. And we also have sitemaps. Sitemap is a file that includes the pages on your website. It's the importance of sitemap is just like it's just telling it tells search engine what web pages are important for indexing and crawling. If some people, if you have so many pages on your website and you just decide not to index or you don't want search engine to crawl this particular page, you might not include it in your sitemap. So that is the importance of sitemap. You can decide what you want search engine to crawl. And if you also want to fixing call errors is also done under technical SEO. You can use tools like Google Search Console to identify and fix the error to prevent search engines from and fix the error issues that popped up on your website. So we also have local SEO. Local SEO is part of off-page SEO. But this one is just attracting local customers. This one is niching that to geographics, location. That's to do with your location. So you can decide to create Google My Business profile. In that way, it's going to niche down to geographics so that people within your location, when they search for your website, if you have a cake website and you based in Ibadan and people try to search for this cakes in Ibadan or best cakes in Ibadan, it's going to pop up because you optimize and create Google My Business profile. So in conclusion, I'm deeply passionate about transforming businesses online and driving organic content through expert SEO strategies. And I'm currently developing my SEO skills at Virtual Assistant Nigeria, where I have received comprehensive training, practical experience, and hands-on exercises. I believe every business has a unique story, and it deserves to be seen, heard, and found by the right audience. So for more information, you can reach out to me by visiting my profile at Virtual Assistant Nigeria or sending an email to my email account or contacting me via my phone number, and I will be glad to be your SEO consultant. Thank you.